Hi there, want to see who is at your door even when you are not home? Today on Tech Product, we are talking about the best wireless video doorbell camera that keeps your home safer and smarter. This is a fully wireless video doorbell camera built for easy setup and reliable protection. Let's get started. Let's check out the IE Wireless Video Doorbell Camera. IE designed this doorbell to combine convenience and strong security in one compact device. It runs completely wirelessly, powered by a built-in 5600 mAh battery. That means no messy wiring and no complicated installation. In fact, setup takes about 3 minutes. Once installed, it can last up to 2 months with around 20 daily triggers under laboratory conditions. For video quality, the IE Wireless Video Doorbell Camera records in 1080p HD. You get clear and detailed footage so you can easily recognize visitors and deliveries. The 130-degree wide-angle lens gives you a broader view of your doorway. You can see more of what is happening around your entrance, not just a narrow frame. Nighttime is also covered. The built-in infrared light automatically switches on for night vision. Even in low light, you can still see who is outside your door. This adds an extra layer of security after dark. The doorbell uses a PIR motion detection system that can monitor up to 20 feet. If someone approaches, you receive an alert on your phone within 3 seconds. At the same time, the camera records footage of the movement. You can open the app and see what is happening right away. If needed, you can speak to visitors in real time using two-way audio. There is even an alarm feature that you can activate to scare off unwanted guests. A fun and unique feature is the voice changer and pre-recorded messages. You can communicate in a different voice for added privacy or simply use ready-made messages for convenience. It adds both safety and a bit of personality. Through the IE Cam app, you can control everything remotely. You can share access with family members, adjust sensitivity settings, and customize surveillance zones to reduce false alarms. The humanoid recognition feature helps focus on people instead of random movements, which also helps conserve battery life. The device connects through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for stable communication. When it comes to storage, you have flexible options. You can use a micro SD card for local storage or rely on lifetime free cloud storage. Even if someone damages the device, your cloud recordings stay safe and accessible. That extra backup brings real peace of mind. The IE Wireless Video Doorbell Camera also comes with 90 days of free return or exchange and a 3-year warranty, which shows strong confidence in its durability. Smart protection starts at your front door. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart home solutions. See you in the next video.